Okay, so time we went. Now, whilst we're waiting for those people, in about another minute to have a boat ride. It's not this boat, she says. She says not this boat. So I don't know which boat. Maybe the one later. So maybe when we look around, we can find a hat like that, and I'll get you one. I'll buy you a hat like hers. You'd be very fashionable.
Really, I'm happy. I will decorate my room,
with a hat.
But my friend said this kind of hat is from Vietnam. It's not exactly from Hong Kong. Hong Kong one is, cool hat is like this. Hakka people wear and black
with the things
material.
around it.
Yeah.
Like my grandma used to wear. Yeah. Okay. I have. Yeah, very nice. Okay. 45. Yeah. You can go and get one in a minute.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice hat. Did you make by yourself?